Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I've got a 2007 Honda Accord here, and what's going on is the signal indicator here on the dash is flashing erratically and it's making a buzzing sound. Let's see if the microphone will pick this up. So sometimes it's not working at all, and sometimes it's just buzzing, and sometimes it'll flash like intermittent. Let's also try the hazard lights, just see if those work. Nope. See that they came on for a second. See, and then they're clicking off. It's a pretty common issue on these cars, but that buzzing noise tells me that that's our signal/hazard relay that is bad and needs to be changed. And it's a real simple, quick, easy thing to do, and the parts are relatively inexpensive. It's a little 6-pin relay under the dash on the left side, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to change that. Just come down underneath here. There's the relay right there. It's that gray rectangle right in the middle of the screen, just above that yellow connector, and that's all we need to do is pull that out and put in the new one. If you've got the room, you can just slide a little flathead screwdriver in on one side. There we go. So this is the side, this little notch, that faces to the rear of the car. And this is how it is. And since I'm already down here, I'm just gonna put the new one in. Just so it's going with this little slot right here. Goes down and to the back of the car. So it should just snap right in where the old one came out. Okay. Let's go see if it works. So you can see just these two little tabs right here. That's just what you're trying to release, and then pull this out. Once you get one side release, you know, and then you kind of wiggle it. That's what I ended up doing. I thought maybe I'd need screwdrivers on either side, but I kind of just used my thumb to pry up on the other side while I had one side off, and then just kind of wiggle it around, and it popped right out. All right, so let's just see if it works now. Perfect, no buzz. And that's working fine too. Let's just test our hazards. Yep, we're good. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description to the replacement that I used as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.